To begin your ALEKS registration process, please make sure that you have the following items. You will need paper, a pen or pencil, so you can write important information down and eventually be able to take your initial assessment. You will also need an ALEKS course code. You should look for it in your syllabus or ask your instructor for it. You will also need an ALEKS access code, so either have your credit card ready or your ALEKS access code. The credit card is so you can purchase the access code online if you do not already have one, or you can also consider getting your ALEKS access code from your bookstore. Please pause the video here while you get the materials that you need. All right, let's continue our process to set up your ALEKS account. Please go to the website www.aleks.com. Once you are at this website, click on New Student Sign Up Now. Once on this page, please put your course code right here and then click on Continue. At this point, you will see your course name, subject name, instructor name, and school name. Click Continue. At this point, you will have two options. If you already have an ALEKS account, click on the second option. Otherwise, click on the first option that says, I've never used ALEKS before and do not have an ALEKS login name. Click Continue. Now you will need your 20-character access code. If you've purchased it from your bookstore, this is where you will enter it. And then click Continue. Otherwise, if you do not have a code, please click on Purchase an Access Code. Choose the right length of the semester. If you have an 18-week semester, click on the right 18-week length of the semester. It will tell you how much it will cost, and then click on Purchase Code. At this point, you will have to individually fill out your email address, your school information, and your billing information. Keep scrolling down on the page until you have filled in all the required boxes, and at the bottom of it, click on the Continue. Keep following directions on the screen until you end up with getting an ALEKS login name and password. This login name and password that you are given is how you will always enter in ALEKS. So on the original aleks.com page, put in your login name, put in your password, and then click on Login. You should now see the following page. This will be a small tutorial to show you how ALEKS interface will work. Please make sure that you go through the entire tutorial so you know how to enter things and draw graphs and so on. So follow the directions that you see here. So I'm asked to enter 14 using the keyboard, so I will do that. As soon as you perform the task that is at hand, next directions will be given to you. So I would recommend you go through all of the tutorial. Once you're finished with that tutorial, you should see a window like this, which tells you that you are now ready to take the ALEKS initial assessment. No matter what class you are using ALEKS for, you all have to take the initial assessment, which is a diagnostic test to see what you already know and what you need to learn next in the course. ALEKS is an artificially intelligent software, and so by giving you this diagnostic test, you are saving lots of time, so you don't have to relearn what you already know. So it's going to give you credit for what you already know. For all of ALEKS assessments, we recommend you use the cover sheet that we'll be showing you. Remember, there is no partial credit, so if you make even a tiny error, ALEKS will mark the answer wrong. Please take great care in your initial assessment because it will save you lots of time, so you don't have to spend time learning what you already know. Do not rush. If you're tired, you can always log off and come back in. The ALEKS assessment will start exactly where you left off. No calculator is allowed unless a calculator shows up on ALEKS. Make sure you write the problem and all the detailed solution. You should write your name, and when you're finished with the assessment, write down your score. This is the template we recommend for all ALEKS assessments. So here's our first question. If we know it, we're going to write a detailed solution. Make sure you copy all the words onto your paper so you know what question you are answering, and then write your detailed solution. So I know how to do this problem, so I'm going to do it. Remember, a calculator button will show up if you are allowed to use a calculator. Otherwise, do the work without a calculator, please. So I'm going to use my calculator here. And then also enter the answer here and click Next to get my next question. ALEKS is an artificial intelligence software, and therefore how you answer first question will dictate what the next question will be. So no two students are going to get the same questions. Once you're done with the assessment, ALEKS will carve out a learning path specific to you. That is one of the strengths of the program. So just remember, answer questions very carefully. If you do not know, click I don't know. There is no penalty for clicking I don't know. All that means is that you'll have to learn that topic in the learning mode, which we will talk about in a later video. So please complete your assessment in this manner, and at the end of the exam, you will be given a report. The next video will show you how to interpret the report and how to work in ALEKS once you're done with the initial assessment.